Yard waste in the City of Toronto runs from mid-March to mid-December.
We'll collect up to 20 bags of leaves per compost cycle.
So if people have got leaves in their yard, they can rake them up and put them in their green bin to start with.
Place yard waste loose inside the green cart.
Cities across Canada are combating the invasion of fall leaves, but there are important regulations to take note of depending on which city you live in.
Organics Collection Day, we will accept 20 bags of leaves.
We ask residents to rake up their leaves, place them into craft paper bags.
Put your extra leaves out in either a paper bag or a store-bought container.
Leaves, branches, grass clippings, they can put it loose in the green cart.
You can also put leaves into your green bin as well.
Tree clippings, we want those to be tied and bundled.
So gather your yard waste in green bins, paper bags, or both if you have a lot. But don't use plastic. Paper bags are ideal because they can be composted.
The best place to compost them is in your actual garden.
What we encourage people to do is consider mulching them.
Some friendly options for pollinators. We recommend to leave some debris on their lawn so they can have some shelter in winter time.
With an emphasis on composting and bagging leaves, it is important to clean them up.
Because if you don't, what happens is the leaves start to block the catch basins on the roadway. That freezes up and causes a lot of ponding, and then you've got ice all over the road.
To find out more about your yard waste pickup, visit your city's website or app.
Calgary.ca/collection.
We also have a Van Collect app.
We have our TO Waste app.
Halifax.ca/recycle.